Hi there. So it's been a while since I've done one that I'm actually doing something in. But I happened to catch it at our local Ollie's more in the Forever Clever uh, kind of Faco Lego toys there. This one is the Skystriker and Night Raven set. Of course, I already got a Skystriker, so I was kind of resisting getting this one, but what I found interesting was the Skystriker for this one. Even though they have another Skystriker kit, it's not done the same way. Go figure. And this has their version of the Night Raven. Night Raven was one of those that, man, I really wanted whenever I was having G.I. Joes as a kid, but never did have it. Me and a good friend of mine that lived in the same area, and we went to the same school and all, we kind of divided and conquered when it came to a lot of our toys. Like, if he liked one thing, he would get those and I would get some of the other stuff, so that when we came together to play with stuff, we had kind of almost the full set. So he ended up with the Night Raven. I had the Skystriker, and so that's kind of the way it went. But anyway, this is another one of the Forever Clever Hasbro licensed G.I. Joe brick sets. Also, if you are looking, Ollie's, at least at my local Ollie's, they had like a bunch of the mini sets, and I'll probably be doing some quick videos on those as well very soon. Anyway, just unboxing here. So the tape, we got that. Do the thing. Alright. Once again, same MO, kind of a nice little section box for setting your parts out. They use a lot of the style of the old school cover art. This one was basically $9.99 for the set. Not too bad. Not super great. It says the original price was $13.99, but anyway, so we got different parts bags here, and I imagine we got 2 sets of instructions. I'm going to just focus on the Night Raven because that's the one I haven't done yet. But if it doesn't take too long, maybe I'll go ahead and do Skystriker as well. So we'll just see. Alright, so there's Skystriker instructions, Night Raven instructions. Oh goody. As you can tell, there's a wing piece that's a Skystriker and a wing piece that's a Night Raven. So once you start unboxing, you're unboxing, or unbagging, you're unbagging it all. Strike one. Alright. We'll see what kind of quality these are, so I might as well just open all 3 bags. I hate doing this. I really like when a Lego set has it to where you're opening a bag that's specifically just dealing with the parts that you're going to be using right then. But, you know, I guess as the saying goes, you get what you pay for. So. many single point connecting points. So I mean, this, you look at it the wrong way and it's going to fall apart. If you can see there, the gap between the engines, because they use basically what are wheels for other Lego sets as the engine cowling or thrust there. It's just, I never had the actual Night Raven, so I don't have a real standard of comparison here, but just as far as things go, I don't think I was wrong in my assessment after the Snowcat that this is pretty sad. Okay, this one, of course, you got to finish it, so I will put the ever so. I mean, the decals step up the look a little bit, but it's still not, I mean, you know, it's 150 pieces, but that's split between two, so it's really about a 75 piece item. Let's see if we can find his trooper in here. Once again, the people have to be completely constructed. So strangely enough, so there's the pilot for the Night Raven. Yeah, fairly good figure. Somehow I ended up with a second head and helmet for the Night Raven. So go figure there. Maybe I'll see if some old Lego body parts might be able to make him something. Okay, Skystriker. Might as well. I've come this far. I mean, Skystriker 2.0, not very good at all. I mean, this was designed by someone that has never seen an F-14 Tomcat and has no idea what they look like. Once again, same MO, bad single connecting point. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gap in the fuselage, and I followed the instructions verbatim. So anyway, yeah, this, of all the kits, this is definitely one of them, but I don't think it's one I would go after. The cone pops off as I'm just putting a sticker on. I mean, how fragile do you have to be? Alright. Stickers. Yeehaw. Can't even hardly see half the stickers. Okay. Those dudes are done. So next I'll probably have some of these smaller kits that I'll hit you with. I got the equivalent of the Cobra Fang. The other two, well, one is the Cobra Ferret, the little ATV for Cobra. That's pretty cool. And then there's the Ninja Speed Cycle. I'm like, why couldn't you have just done it in olive drab and called it a RAM, Rapid Attack Motorcycle? But anyway,